guys, I'm Justin Allen, the owner of Everything Just Baked, and today I'm here with BakeDeco to showcase pies in a few different ways. So here we have apple, my favorite, we have this cherry pie filling, and this chocolate pudding filling. And they're all so easy to do, and let's just jump right into it.
So what you would need, you're going to need red raspberry pastry filling, the chocolate Bavarian pastry filling, and also the apple turnover pastry filling, and you could get this all at BakeDeco.com. And you're just going to need some pie crust, and today I'm using pre-made, so use whatever you like, and just some pie tins. Any size work, they have mini ones, they have large ones, and they also have these cute pie cutters that are going to be perfect for giving decorations, and then some flour. So next step is to roll out your dough, and again I'm using pre-made dough, but it's the same process whether you're using it from scratch or if you bought it. So this is already rolled out for me in a perfect circle. I'm just going to put it right into my pie tin, and if it's sticky or anything, just use some flour. And just as you would with any other pie, you just fill it in, and you're going to want to do a little crimping on the edges, and make sure you really get it to the bottom so it's nice and secure, and cut off the excess. So now that I cut off all the excess, I'm just folding it over the extra dough so it has more of a lip. And I'm going to poke the bottom of the pie just because we're going to pre-bake this, and this is going to prevent it from rising and going out of shape. And I'm just going to do a crimping on the edge, and if you have a little gap or if you're missing some, just use some extra dough there and put it there. No one will ever know. I'm going to do the same process just with a bigger pie tin, and you could do any design you like on the edges. You could use a fork as a pattern, you could use the knuckling method. There's a ton of variations. This one's definitely the easiest. And I just did it one last time for the one last pie, and again make sure you fork the bottom because these ones we're filling after we bake it. The other one we're going to fill it while we bake it. So the first one's the apple pie, and we're just putting the apple pie filling in it, and look how delicious, so easy to prepare, and everyone's going to love it. And then I have these Lattice leaves. They come in 3 different shapes, and I'm just going to roll out some pie crust to decorate this pie for a nice fall, beautiful pie. And these are so easy to use, they're just like using a cookie cutter. And what's great about these is it has an imprinting, so you could get really that detailed leaf look. And I'm just arranging them in a round pattern, all different sizes, starting with the largest one, going to the medium one, and the smallest one, as you can see. And this is the final look. Look how gorgeous, and wait till it's baked. And then you're just going to want to use a little egg wash, or just some egg with a little bit of water. And this is going to help it get it nice and brown and delicious looking. So the next filling is the red raspberry filling. And I'm just going to cut it open like I did with the apple and just put it all in there. As you can see, it also looks so delicious, and it has such a nice raspberry flavor, nice and concentrated, and it tastes so fresh. And then I have this cool lattice roller that I got from BakeDeco. Again, everything I'm using is available at BakeDeco, and this creates a nice, easy lattice effect. So you just want to roll it across your pie dough, and it takes a lot of practice. And when you roll it out, it cuts thin strips, and as you pull them apart, it creates a lattice. Very simple, very pretty, and takes no time, as you can see. And I'm just using a fork to open up the spots, and you can see sometimes it would tear, but it would be perfectly fine because when it bakes, it will just get all nice together, and you can fix any gaps. And then I have another pie cutter. This is the Teco leaf cutter, again nice and folly. So I'm just cutting out the same classes and it gives it imprintation, which we love. I'm just gonna arrange them on the pie, and this could cover up your mistakes if you had any, but it also just gives it a nice elegant feel, and it's just really good bring the whole pie together. And make sure you use the egg wash again. So this pie crust I already baked, because when you're doing the chocolate Bavarian cream, you want a pre-baked pie crust. That's why it's important to prick the bottom with a fork. And now I'm just gonna add the pie filling. Look how delicious that mousse pudding looks. It's so delicious. I love chocolate. And I have some whipped cream here. I'm just gonna top it off with whipped cream. And this is so easy because you just want it to look decadent and delicious. So do a generous amount of whipped cream and just go heavy on it. Smooth it out as best as you can and just let it look delicious. After I generously applied whipped cream, now I'm just dusting it with cocoa powder to just give it that nice final chocolate touch. And these are the final products. Look how delicious those pies look. And I'm gonna cut it, and let me tell you, this pie was so delicious. They were all, and it's just my absolute favorite.
And that's a wrap, guys. You guys saw how simple it was. I can't wait to see what you guys create, your creativity. And it was so simple and so delicious. Look how good this looks. And now everything's available at BakeDeco.